Hi Steve, Happy New Year, great performance that to bring the new year in.
Yeah, Happy New Year, good start to the new year for the Seagulls as well. You know, I'm pleased. I'm pleased.
Yeah.
You know, first half I thought we were exceptional.
Yeah, that's the best I've seen us play.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. You know, we passed the ball really well.
Yeah.
But not so much just that. It was the all round performance, the defensive side as well. They had one or two breakaways.
Yeah.
But we dealt with it.
Yeah.
You know, and I don't think Cam really had a shot to save. He had one at the end of the first half, but you know, some of the goals.
Yeah.
It was really good. It was really good. So
Down the lines, I mean, both Alex and Steph, you know, they were finding them with the long balls.
Yeah, but I thought all the players. Out, you know, I thought today every single one of the players were brilliant.
Yeah.
And they deserve massive praise.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
Second half, we were good. We weren't as good as the first half. Second half, you know, we probably 5-0 up and took a foot a little bit off the pedal, which I was disappointed with in there. I just said that to them. But on the whole today, I'm really pleased. You know, I think, you know, second half we could have, like I just said, we could have been that little bit better.
Yeah.
But, you know, on the whole,
yeah,
really
great performance, and on to Prestatyn on Friday.
Yeah,
Should be a tough game.
Well, like I always say, we'll enjoy tonight. We'll enjoy the victory, and then we'll assess everybody on Wednesday, ready to go again on Friday, because it's going to be a difficult place to go. I've been there numerous times as a player and as a coach, and you know, it's a really difficult place to go, and they give us a very tough task here.
Yeah.
Second half especially. So we know it's going to be tough, but we'll prepare right and we'll be ready.
Okay. Again, well done for a great performance, and see you on Friday.
You know, Happy New Year as well, like I've always said to the Seagull fans, and you know, hopefully we can give them more of what we give them today.
Okay. Thank you. Cheers Steve.